Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range now we've got the Glock 21 and 45 ACP, 13 rounds in the mag. We're about 12 yards away. Let's see how it goes. There's an adjustment period. I've never had these XS big dot sights there, but it does have a line in the back, right in the middle of the sight. You have to align that dot just above that, kind of like pumpkin on a post, but a little bit higher too, and I'm still working on that. Let's see if I can, that looks pretty good. Miss, see? Just a little bit higher than what's average. So I have to work on that, but they are night sights. And it is a nice gun. Now I fell in love with the Glock 41 and 45 ACP with a 5.3 inch barrel. This is the Glock 21 with a 4.6 inch barrel. Now I picked this up for 350 bucks used. It came with one mag. It came with these sights. So I think I got a good deal, and many of you agree when I did a tabletop review. But a full-size gun, many people consider it a great home defense choice, and I think it would be an excellent home defense choice, especially once I dial in these sights a little better. But a nice all-around package. Of course, it does have the accessory rail. One of the things I've noticed is that this gun in particular, this is my fourth Glock at this time, and it has a very nice trigger pull. I measure it right at 5.5 pounds. My Glock 19, my Glock 26, I measure those closer to 6 pounds. Not the greatest difference in the world, but it is true to what the website says for, or I'm sorry, 5.5 pounds. Let's go ahead and load it up, see if I can work on that sight picture and take a few more shots. All right, so we're going to stay at 12 yards here. Let's try it again. This time I'm going to transition from one plate to the other, see how well this big front dot aligns for me. All right, not too bad. Let's back it up. Here we are 18 yards away. Let's see how it goes. I can get into these sights, okay? I can tell that it's a easier learning curve than I first thought with my first couple mags, but I can get into it. I can tell right now, just a little bit higher than that dot, than that line, and you're good to go. So there it is, guys. Glock 21. Pretty happy with it. I think I got a great deal for 350 bucks, and once you work out the little kinks with your eye adjustment with these XS big dot sights, they dial in pretty well. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.